So to start off this year 2025, I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick, easy, chef's kiss, delicious, vegan, cheesy cauliflower. So let's get into it. Okay, so for the first important step is to wash your cauliflower. So let's get to it. Now it's nice and clean, it's time to chop it into chunks. Okay, so now I'm going to place these pieces into a compost bin. Get a tray. Now we add our black pepper and salt. And our olive oil. Now we're going to give this a little mix with our hands. And now we're going to place this in the oven on 180 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Now that's in the oven, it's time to prep our ingredients for the next part. Okay, so first things first, we're going to add our butter and our garlic to our pan. But first we have to wait until this melts down. Okay, so now it's nicely melted, we're going to gradually add our flour along with some water and milk if needed. What you're going to want to do after it's turned into a smooth dough, you're going to turn it into a smooth paste with some milk and a whisk. It's a workout. It works out on my shoulders. Okay, so now we have a smooth paste. We're going to add our mozzarella cheese, vegan mozzarella cheese, and cheddar cheese. And just remember, this paste is on a heat, so what you would like to do is add more milk as time goes on, as it would get thicker. Right now what we want this cheese to do is melt and become a cheesy paste. Look at that, it's amazing. Already. Once your cheese does melt, you're going to add your parsley. Give it a good mix. And if your paste does get any thicker as time goes on, you're gonna have to add a little bit more milk, because we do not want this paste too thick or too thin. So don't add too much milk. Okay, so I just had to go find myself another tray before I move on to the next part. So what we're doing right now is we would normally add our cauliflower to the pan and then mix it together and then put it in the oven. But since the oven ain't big enough for this to fit in the oven, we're going to use this tray. So we're going to add our cauliflower to this mixture. Now we have the right consistency and everything. What you would want to do is make sure this is evenly coated, so every single cauliflower is coated with the cheesy mixture. Okay, so now we're going to add it to this tray. Okay, turn it this way. Okay, that gets very heavy after a while. And just make sure everything just slides down easily. Okay, there we go. It's a shame I can't hold this with one hand. Now we're going to spread it out. Finally done. Now we place this in the oven on 180 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And I'll see you after it's done. Oh no, the cheese. Cheese. Nearly forgot the cheese. And now we place it in the oven. That would have been bad. Okay, so now it's nicely played and it's nice and cool. It's time to tuck in. Now that is delicious. That's a good way to start the year. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next time.